Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Well, my name is Golden Rabbit, and it's about time I come back, guys. I come back to show you guys my builds. I've been slacking, guys. To be honest, I thought that, I'd just take a nice break. But the truth is, guys, hey, there's no break in life. Every single day you're gonna wake up no matter what. No matter if you're sitting on the couch at home watching TV or if you're going to work. Every single day is the grind, guys. I can't stress that enough. But anyways, today I'm going to be building a diamond house, and I'm going to incorporate some gold into it too. But this house is not just, a pizzow house. It's a house that's going to motivate me to become bigger and greater. I'm going to look at this house every single day and say, I want that status. I want to actually build a real diamond house in real life and have gold inside too. Like maybe that's going to be like super, super expensive, right? But I'm sure people build that in real life, or just like a gold house. You remember, guys, the golden temple, that's made out of gold. It's crazy. But it shows you guys what you can do if you set your mind to it. Like right now, I'm building, but, I didn't really know that I'm going to be like, a Minecraft YouTuber today. But I decided, hey, today's the day I'm going to be a Minecraft YouTuber. So the thing is, guys, you never know where life's gonna take you. Like when I was a kid, to be honest, I never liked games. I was like, oh, these games, what's the point of it, And like I just thought it was a waste of time, right? But then after someone's like, hey, well, you love playing stuff, you love building stuff. Hey, look at Minecraft. This is a good game for you. And I was like, yeah, I heard about it, but I was like, I remember actually back in like high school, I used to play this. Lunchtime we used to connect everything all together. We used to have servers live. It was good times, good times. And they're like, yeah, we'll get back on it because we really think you're a good builder and just join the clan. And that's the thing, like you never know where life's gonna take you. So then I was like, hey, well, why not I just start building for the YouTuber folks, and I'll show everyone my builds. And they're like, yeah, you can do that for sure. I'm just gonna hop in this bed here because it is nighttime. I have to get some light because it's so dark. But yeah, okay, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, it's morning time. So back again with the story. So yeah, we used to play Minecraft all the time at like lunchtime. And then like I really never thought about like as a career choice. I was just like, yeah, Minecraft's cool. Let's join the servers. And then I got a little older, and then I was like just working like a 9 to 5 like everyone else, and I'm like, oh my, is this 9 to 5 gonna like solve my life? Is this gonna like help me pay all my bills for the rest of my life? And no, it barely even pays anything, guys. It barely even doesn't do anything. But the thing is, guys, it's the 9 to 5 grind. You really have to work in order to make money, and it's not going to cover everything in life, but it's just life. You can't really say anything bad about working because it's a daily grind. But guys, then I started thinking outside the box. I was like, I can only make so much because I only have 8 hours in a day. 8 hours at work, and then I come home 8 hours. So you really only have 24 hours in a day, but most jobs you have to work 8 hours, right? And then my buddy's like, well, guess what? You can actually like start building, like just be creative. Like, like how do you think builders in real life make money? They build houses. You can build houses on Minecraft. And I was like, oh really? And they're like, yeah, you can be a Minecraft builder. And I was like, oh, that's so sick. That is sick. So I could say I'm a builder and I build custom Minecraft houses. And they're like, yeah, you can be that. And I was just so ecstatic that day, So I took out my iPad and I was like, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to start building. And from that day on, I never stopped, That's why I'm making videos for you guys today. I'm here just to make some nice videos and motivate you guys too, because if I can do it, guys, you can do it. Yes, the one thing I learned, guys, from making YouTube videos and just trying to like make it on YouTube, even though I didn't make it yet, but eventually I will. The thing is, like, you really have to stay consistent, guys. Say if you open up a channel today, that's the first step. You're already 50% there, guys, if you started your YouTube channel today. But the other 50% is your dedication and your time. The thing is, if you're gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna be the next Mr. Beast, I'm gonna be the next PewDiePie," I'm gonna believe in you. I'm not gonna say you can't. But the one thing is, you're gonna have to like post every day consistently. Even though like your videos are gonna get like say 1 or 2 views, some videos might get thousands, some might get a million. But the thing is, guys, you have to post consistently to see results. You know what they say? Consistency beats talent, or they say hard work beats like talent. And what they're saying is, if you are trying more harder than the person that has a talent, and they're not using their talent, then you're gonna overbeat them eventually, because you are just you're grinding away at it. You're going with the flow. And I'm not joking around, guys. It made me some good money in the past, and eventually you guys can make money too, and you can have merch. There's so much different areas you can branch yourself into. You can become affiliate marketer. You can do sponsorships. You can have endorsements. But the thing is, guys, you just gotta start. Like, if you don't start, then you're never gonna know. Like, who knows, guys? I could be doing all these videos and then no one's gonna watch it. But what are the likely chances of that, guys? I got some good content, and like, who's not gonna want to watch how to build a diamond house? Like, right now I'm doing the dance floor outside of my diamond house. But the thing is, it could possibly be like that too. You can make all these videos and then no one ever watches them. Yes, that'll be kind of disappointing, because you just spend your time making videos and talking to no one. But the thing is, if you make videos and then people watch them, and then people they're like, yeah, I really like your tips, then you know that you're doing it for some reason. And that's too, you need to see some results in the beginning sometimes too, to get you motivated. If you see no results, hey Creeper, get out of the way. If you see no results, then I don't know. Some people are like, oh, I don't know what to do because I don't see any results yet. But the thing is, results will come over time if you give the people what they want to see. So, like, Minecraft is like a well-played game, and everyone likes the builds. Like, I love watching the builds too in my free time. And some guys are really good at it. Some people like draw epic builds, like some nice mansions and some nice like cities. And that's my goal too. Like, right now I'm just starting off small, showing you guys the basics on how to build some nice cool houses, especially diamond houses, just to get some motivation. I'm gonna make this pavilion here, so it's like you can drive through and then you're good. But the thing is, yeah, like, you really have to just start, guys. There's so much talk in this world, guys. Like, people are like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it, and then they never get to it. And the thing is, like, that's a thing. That's really dangerous. If you think about something for too long, and then you keep thinking about it over and over again, you're like, that one day, like, yeah, that one day is gonna come, but then one day it's too late. We're getting too old. Like, the other day it was my birthday, right? And I felt old, guys. I felt really, really old. I felt like, I gotta do something with my life before I get too old and I'm like, lost, and I'm like still working 9 to 5 and I can't even work anymore. You know why? Because it's gonna be too hard for me to work. Believe it or not, But that's the thing, you never know where life's gonna take you, guys. That's the one thing I can tell you. Like, you might think, oh, I'm gonna study to become a mechanic, right? And then you get into the trade and you're like, no, this is too much work, I don't want to do that. Well, that's just how life goes, and you just get out of that and you try something new. And that's like YouTube, if one video doesn't work, then you just jump out of that and you're gonna go on to the next video. So that's a little bit about life. And the thing is, don't get discouraged, guys. No matter how smart or if you're not that smart, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't let that put you down. And some people are like, yeah, also I don't look cool, I don't look pretty, this, that. Who cares, guys? We're all human. We're not like AI robots out there that have to be pretty old times, that can say anything like perfect. Like, that's not us, guys. And this video, it's not perfect. I don't mean to make it perfect by any means. I just started it because I'm just starting out, and eventually over time, guys, it's gonna get better and better, And that's like anything else, in life. Like, how you start riding a bike, Well, you didn't learn how to start riding a bike in one day. You know, you had to try over time, so it probably took a week or two or 3 or 4, and it just happens over time. It's like YouTube. You're not going to be like the big famous YouTuber overnight. It takes years, sometimes even decades. But in the end, is it worth it? Yeah, it is. I would say it's worth it. But that's up to you to decide, guys. If you guys want to be a YouTuber in 2025, I really strongly recommend it. And, I'll just say go for it, guys, because there's so much possibilities that you can expand from. Like it's life, guys. I hate to break it. Like, life is hard. It was never meant to be easy for anyone, but if we try every day, then we can get a little closer and closer to our steps. And yeah, that's one thing I didn't learn for a long time. I thought, I wake up every day and just work, 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 and then one day something will happen. But then, nothing's gonna happen, because what? I'm not gonna sit on my couch and say, okay, money's gonna drop out of the sky. No, that's never gonna happen. Never, never. But if you're focused and you have a goal, then maybe one day, something will happen. Because something has to happen, guys. Something really has to happen. Like, you can't get nothing out of nothing, but you can get something out of something. That's what I always say. Like, it's kind of hard to get, say, milk out of a cow that when the cow has no milk. You know what I mean? But if the cow has milk, then you can get something out of something. And it's hard to get nothing out of nothing. So that's just one saying I go by every single day. It's like, you put your effort in, you're going to get results. If you don't put your effort in, then you're not going to get any results. It's like going to a test, guys. If you study, you want to pass on your test. You're not going to go into the test blindfolded, like saying, okay, yeah, I'm just going to wing it. You're going to go into a test like, oh, I'm going to study the books. I'm going to know what to expect. I'm going to get ready for it. And then you're going to pass because you know it. That's like everything in life. And that's the one thing they don't teach us in school. They teach us, hey, study, 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 and get ready for the test. And yeah, hopefully you do good. If you fail, you fail. But I feel like they should have a little more leeway, saying like, hey, if you don't pass, it's okay. We're gonna go through it again with you. We're gonna show you the right answers, and you can do it again. And just teach it a little differently so you feel more comfortable. Because sometimes, guys, I'm not saying always, but sometimes, what is going on? Okay, there we go. But sometimes they just don't teach right. Teachers are not really teachers at the end of the day. Sometimes, they're just putting on a YouTube video and saying, hey guys, learn this YouTube video, and yeah, hopefully you guys you know how to do this math question here. But in the reality, guys, the reality is no. Like, we can't live that life. Like, oh, it's gonna be all YouTube. Because yeah, some people learn YouTube. I learn off YouTube, but it's not always the way for everyone, guys. Some people learn like by writing things out. Some people learn by seeing. Some people learn by hearing. Some people learn by doing. So much different ways, guys, of learning in life. So you guys just gotta figure that out. So yeah, let me get some torches here. I'm thinking, like, I need some light in the house. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll get a lantern. But yeah, like, don't be discouraged, guys. Like, I'm gonna make videos every single day, so you can count on me for that. Put on some lights, really nice. And I'm gonna get better and better, guys. In the beginning, I know my videos are gonna be a little off. They might sound like, but this is all. It's not script. It's nothing. It's just original, guys. The thing is, guys, keep strong, keep it up. Don't give up. In life, if you want something bad enough, you're gonna want to succeed. You're gonna want to do it. Just keep going. Like, don't give up. And yeah, there's gonna be haters in the way. But look at this, guys. People say, I can't build on Minecraft. Look at that. That's pretty sick. It's a diamond house, and it has a carport. It has some gold there. It has a bed, torches inside. And I built this one earlier, too. This is another diamond house it's a gold house in diamond. But that's the thing, guys. You just gotta do it. Peace out, guys, and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Take care, and never give up.